What's up, guys? Welcome to a frantic road trip episode again. I think that should be like my channel moniker or something, channel description. If you love watching people be super frantic and going awesome places, check out my channel. So I made it up to Albuquerque. Whoops, sorry. I made it up to Albuquerque right now, driving up from where I live in Silver City, which is about 4 hours away. And it's been raining the whole time, and I just went shopping at my happiness store at REI. And I walked out of REI, and the clouds are just amazing over the Sandia Mountains. So I'm doing, crap, sorry. I'm like smashing my tripod into my camera, into my car. I'm doing a little bit of scouting for just like quadruple checking my some of my locations for my Balloon Fiesta workshop, which starts on Saturday. And the clouds look amazing. I'm like holding my camera so weird right now. So let me just, this is ridiculous. All right, hold on. What are we doing? I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I didn't really have any content planned for this next like week or like 10 days or 12 days or something. You know what? This is gonna be kind of perfect. So rushing, you know, getting everything ready for my Balloon Fiesta stuff. My attention is all going to be towards the Balloon Fiesta and making sure that I don't really vlog too much when I do my workshops, if at all, because you got to make sure the paying customers are happy and all of that stuff. So anyways, I didn't have any content planned other than I knew I wanted to get out on my spare time and do something. One of the things that I wanted to do, maybe I'll make this the start of it, or maybe I'll make it part one. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I got this new lens, and it's this one right here. So that's the RF85 f2. And the funny thing about this lens, hold on, is that a lot of people are giving it a lot of crap. Like I've watched some reviews and looked, read reviews and all that stuff, and a lot of people are giving this lens a lot of crap. And I find that interesting. So what we're doing now is I figured what better way, I'll tell you guys why I bought this lens, and it's not for this. What better way to break in this lens than by, look at that, just even as a still shot, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna stop it down, f7.1, 500th of a second, ISO 100, 125. What was I saying? A lot of people are giving this lens crap. So I did not buy this for a portrait lens. This is typically what you would think of for a portrait lens. I did not buy this for portrait lens. I bought this for something much, much more interesting than people's faces. I bought this for things up there and things like this that I'm very excited about. But I figured what better way to test it out than to do a landscape photography challenge, and I am just gonna time-lapse the crap out of this amazing light over the crest. And the Sandia is like my favorite mountain, and this lens, I've piddled with this lens a little bit. I've just been shooting my cat in the face like I do when I get any new lens. And I love it. It's super sharp. I will say that I agree with all of the people who are hating on this autofocus, but luckily the things that I'm doing, I don't need autofocus because the autofocus is slow on this bad boy. Oh wow, that is a lot wider than I thought. Oh, because I was in crop mode because I was shooting birds earlier. That's why. So I was like, when I switched to video, I was like, why the heck is this so much wider? Because there is no crop in 4K. That's because I cropped my still image mode. And we're going. So there's no color. This is New Mexico. There's no color in the bosque right now. So I love the bosque. The bosque, if you don't know, in Spanish, bosque means forest. And the bosque here on the Rio Grande is the largest contiguous stretch of cottonwood trees, I think, in the world. And they look beautiful in the fall. So it's like the only fall color that we get in Albuquerque, completely green. Today's the first day that I've had to wear a jacket, and I'm so stoked for sweater weather because I would much rather, I love cold weather much more than I love hot weather. I love cold weather. I think what I'm gonna do, if I get the chance, I'm gonna go up to Santa Fe. The colors, Santa Fe, so Albuquerque is just about 6,000 feet. Santa Fe is 7,000 feet, and Ski Santa Fe is like 8 to 10,000 feet. So the aspens up there are in peak right now, and I'm very excited about that. So I will try to steal away an afternoon or two to get up to Santa Fe, and I think maybe I'll challenge myself and just use the 85 just for that. I am loving these clouds. You know what? You know what sucks? So normally Brittany is here with me, my wife, and my son Tristan, and now that he's a teenager, like he's old enough to like help me out and like be my pack mule and all this stuff. Normally they're with me when we do workshops or even when I'm traveling and stuff, but the sucky bit is like they had to stay home because our cat got super sick and we didn't have anybody to watch him, and he can't go anywhere, and it's no bueno. So he's doing better now, but he's not good enough to deal with us being gone for 2 weeks. So I'm up here for 2 weeks. And, when she's with me, we have all of our gear. But since she's at home, she's, photographer too, and she does her own thing. I had to leave her one of the cameras. So the only thing I have right now is my R6 and my R5. And I'm really missing my RP right now. I'm in the middle of nowhere and I just heard a bell, like church bells. That's from like way over there. Because if I had my RP right now, I would definitely be getting close-up shots of the crest with my 500. I even have my 800, and I'm really looking forward to using both of them for the balloon fiesta. And the light over downtown is amazing. The light over the Manzanos is amazing. The light over the Sandia is amazing. And it's either film a YouTube video and have one camera of time lapse or nothing at all. That's kind of a bummer. Maybe I'll stop you guys. Maybe I'll stop that camera for a second and fire off some. I just don't think I can get close enough with my phone. Oh, you know what? Is that 5 or 10? That's 10 times. Okay, check this out. That might be too close. There we go. It appears to me that the 5X on the phone is somewhere around 100 millimeters. There's a way to figure that out, and I'm too lazy to do it. But looking at the back of my screen and the back of that, the 5X looks like on the phone somewhere around 100 millimeters, maybe a little bit longer. I'm gonna try the 10X. Look, there's downtown. Look how tiny it is. That's with the 10X. Don't ever be afraid to use your phone if you don't have anything else. I don't care how good of photography you are or how good of cameras you have. If your cameras are all busy, don't be afraid to use your phone. All right. Hey, I just talked for like 13 minutes straight without stopping, so sorry about that. All right, well, you know what? I'm going to wrap it up here. That time lapse looks incredible. My God, I love this light. And it's still going. I can keep time lapsing. You know what? I'm gonna do another time lapse, but I'm going to stop it here and let you guys go. I'm gonna switch lenses actually because I want to get super close. I know this. I just maybe I said this was a landscape photography challenge, but you know what? I lied. I lied to you guys. I'm gonna put this back on, and I'm gonna get nice and tight on that mountain so that you guys have some ending time-lapse footage. Why is my camera not going on here? Oh my god, because I'm ridiculous. This is what happens. This is my life. There we go. All right, now we are all up in some cloudy business. Let's go right here. Look at that. I'll take a still shot real quick. Look at that. Wow. Oh yeah, I need to get out of crop mode. Full. Yes, please. There. Look at that. Holy cow. All right, so I'm going to get a little tighter and I'm going to time lapse that for you guys. And that's it. So this video was about nothing, apparently. If you made it this far, you know I love you. I've probably talked to you in the comments, and you know if you comment, I'll probably answer. I appreciate you guys. You make all of this possible for me. And some of you guys that are watching this are some of the people that are on my Balloon Fiesta workshop. And so I love you guys too. And I will see you soon. Probably I'll see you before you see this video. For those few in the workshop. So that's it. I love you guys. I say that a lot, but I mean it. I really do. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one when hopefully I have something real and fun to do.